Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel your subscription on Squarespace in 2026. So if you want to stop billing, close your website, or switch to another platform, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, log in to your Squarespace account and open your main dashboard where all your websites are listed. Next, select the website you want to cancel and go to Settings, then click Billing and Account. Now click on your subscription plan. This will show your current plan details and billing cycle. Next, scroll down and click Cancel Subscription. Squarespace may ask you to confirm your choice or select a reason for cancellation. Now confirm your cancellation. Once confirmed, your subscription will be set to end at the end of your billing period. If you want to keep your website content, make sure to download or export your data before your plan expires. Finally, go back to your account and confirm that your subscription status shows canceled or scheduled for cancellation. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Squarespace subscription. Just make sure to double-check your billing so there are no future charges. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Hey everyone.